Hey everyone, Steph, Beckett here at Zoomtopia 2023. I'm here at Yealink's booth and I'm with Mark Barragan of Zoom. How's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good. It's been a pretty busy day and an exciting day for Zoom.
Yes, a lot of attendance here, a lot of innovation, a very, very good showing. The keynote was awesome. So, yeah, very excited about today's show.
So tell me a little bit about Zoom's partnerships and particularly its big partnership with Yealink.
Yeah. So Yealink, if you just go backwards about a year and a half ago, we literally probably had one product in our HQ. And now fast forward, it feels like we have a ton of their products, right? They've innovated so fast. We start off with the A20. Now we have the A10 in the office. We have the A30. We have the AV Hub. They're innovating so fast, it's hard for us to keep up.
That's really exciting. And a lot of what Yealink does is integration with Android and integration with AI, which are both important to Zoom. So can you expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, so Zoom Rooms used to be predominantly Windows based, and it was fine because we got to piecemeal a lot of things together. But the market really wanted a Android based device where we can bring everything together, make it simple to deploy, just power, network, and a display, and you're off and running. It wasn't complicated, so facilities teams can actually put these up no problem.
And I know that Yealink has a few products in display here at its booth, and one of those is the Desk Vision A24. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, this guy's right behind me. So the A24 is super cool because not only can I use it as my desktop monitor, but it also integrates right into our workplace reservation system. And the workspace reservation system is one of our newer products. As you can see over here, I can click on workspace reservations. I can make a reservation on it. I could do this right from the A24. I could do it right from my phone on the way to work, or I could do it before I even leave to work at home on my Mac or my PC.
I know that Zoom is really working on solving this hybrid problem that is kind of plaguing every workplace right now. So tell me a little bit about how products like this can kind of help ease that pain a little bit.
So the A24 is just one of those products that with the hybrid workforce, as customers consolidate down real estate, this is the type of solution that can be shared amongst multiple people. So if you have an area that has cubicles, you can quickly deploy these. They're shareable. You can check in, you can check out, and wipe it clean.